Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Apple iPad Pro 2021 model with the M1 chip. Let's get into it. So, in today's video, we have the whole set. We have the iPad itself, we have the Magic Keyboard, and as we all know, the Apple Pencil. Now, these products all come separate. These are additional charges when you want to buy the iPad, so you don't get any of these with the iPad. This is very expensive. The iPad itself is very expensive. These additional extra are also very expensive, and it can even get even more expensive if you want Apple Care, which is another $200, I think. So the iPad we have here today is the 1TB version in the space grey model, and it is the 5th generation, and it is the Wi-Fi plus cellular. So what Apple has done this year is they have made two types or two models of this iPad. They aren't listed as two different models, but they kind of are. The only difference between the two models is the RAM. The iPads with 2TB and 1TB of space have 16GB of RAM, and the iPads with a lesser storage have only 8GB of RAM. So before unboxing the iPad, we will be unboxing the other two side products that come with it. So this Apple Pencil isn't any different. It's the same as the one we unboxed last time, and so the same with the Magic Keyboard. But we have it, so why not unbox it? Here we go. Have a little tab over here which you just slide open. And there we have the Apple Pencil, covered in a layer of plastic. Taking off. Oh, sorry about that. And there's the Apple Pencil, the same as it has always been, the 2nd generation, which connects to the side of the iPad. Nothing much different there. Then we have the Magic Keyboard, again the same as last time, but let's just open it anyways. As we all know, the Magic Keyboard has the trackpad, which has an iPad type of mouse. It's not exactly like a computer mouse, it is more of a circle, which Apple have shown in their trailers. You get two colors in the keyboard. One is this black color and another one is this white color, but I went for the black. And there it is. A new Magic Keyboard, untouched, unused. Very nice. Moving on, now we have the main product, the product that we are all looking forward to seeing. This is the iPad that has the M1 chip, the same chip that you get in the flagship MacBooks. Again, this is the 12.9-inch model, and this is the one in space grey. This also has a new display. There we have it. There is the 2021 5th generation iPad Pro. This iPad is 0.5mm thicker than the previous generation. However, that's not going to make a real difference. It should be also a bit heavier, but again, not a big difference. It still does have your LiDAR sensor, and also does still come with your wire and your brick, which is the fast charging brick. Thankfully, Apple have not taken out these two products out of the packaging as they have done with the new iPhones. And before we move on to the iPad, can I just say, the design on this box is absolutely amazing. I like the picture they have chosen, or the wallpaper they have chosen to represent. the iPad. It's very nice. Now on to the actual iPad. It is wrapped in this beautiful smooth plastic, which I do not feel like taking off, but I will have to. The iPad can just slide out of that. Now, it looks the same as the older generation, and it should feel the same as well. I do feel it is a bit thicker than the last model, and I can only tell this because I've been using the older iPad every single day since I got it. So only people who use the last one can tell it is a bit thicker. But apart from that, it looks exactly the same. No changes, nothing. Still has your 3 pins there. Still has your 2 cameras with your LiDAR sensor and your flash. The big Apple logo and the antenna bands. The smaller bezels, which are equal on all sides. And the buttons also are still the same length. We still have the 4 speakers, and it is still USB-C, which I wouldn't be expecting that to be changed in this generation, as Apple only adapted that very recently. And apart from that, I do not see really any physical changes to this iPad. It is an iPad that has had many internal changes, much faster, can handle larger files possibly, and yeah, we're just gonna have to see. I will be reviewing this iPad in a new video. However, if you do want to see a comparison between the new iPad and the last gen iPad, which I have over here, which looks surprisingly similar, please let me know down in the comments so I can do that video immediately. Thanks for watching this video, I really appreciate it. And I also wanted to say thank you for your support on my Scott Spark MTB video. It's got quite a lot of views, and I was not expecting it to be that successful. I know a lot of you wanted to see me ride the bike in a video, so I will be doing that. Sorry for delaying that video, but it will be coming, and you will be seeing me ride it on a trail. That video has done very well, so yeah, thank you again for your support. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to like. The likes really help me out, and also subscribes really help me out. And yeah, hope to see you guys next time. Peace.